Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Oh.
Just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet, oh, me. Just a touch of your love.
You guys, I haven't been this excited for a makeup palette in the longest time. Ooh, I am so excited. So, as you all know, I am reviewing the beautiful Nikkie Tutorials and Beauty Bay palette. Woohoo! I got it yesterday and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to do a video ASAP. So this is what the uni carton looks like, and I just love that it's like little keyhole. It's so cute. You just get a little note on the back as well. So cute how she says, hello guys, it's me, Nikkie. Hello.
Hello guys, it's me, Nikkie. Hey, how you doing?
And then we have the beautiful palette. This, you guys, is so beautiful, and the camera doesn't even do it justice. Like, when you actually have this in your hand and you get to actually look at all the details, it's so stunning. I just love that it's kind of like a book, and you open it up and you've got like the light side and then you've got the dark side. It's just so cool. I am obsessed. And funny story, I actually wasn't planning on getting this palette. When I first saw it, I was like, like, yeah, like it's alright, like, you know, colors I've already seen before. Like, it kind of reminds me of like the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. But I watched Nikkie Tutorials reveal video, and as soon as I saw that whole video, I just fell in love. I love how Nikkie Tutorial did the swatches, and she showed different eye looks with all the colors in the palette, and just her talking about the shades, why she like named them and all that stuff. I just think it's so beautiful. I'm super proud of her, and I just think this is one of the best palettes of 2020, I think. I absolutely love how she's got the makeup shamers and like the rude finger. It's just so cool. And this like temple kind of building, I don't really know what that's called, but there's all like fine glitter on it. And these shadows are massive. Like, you're not the regular pans, like they're huge. I love that there is a normal mirror and then there is a magnifying mirror as well. That also caught my attention because I am getting blind, okay? I am getting old and I need a magnifying mirror. So I'm going to be doing two different looks because I want to use as many colors in this palette as possible. So I'm going to be doing a beautiful like neutral kind of soft glam eye look on this side, and then I'm going to be doing a bright colorful look on this side. I have no idea what I'm going to do yet. Eyes are primed, ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to do the crazy colorful eye first. Yep. Okay, I'm going to do something really different. So I'm going to take Plot Twist, which is a beautiful baby blue shade. I'm just going to put this all over the inner corner and right into like my brow as well. This is a beautiful like color. It's kind of like a gray toned, really pale blue. Now I've just dipped a little bit into Amsterdam and still going in with Plot Twist as well, kind of just mixing those two together because I don't get too bright in this inner corner. So it's kind of giving now like a purple, like a lavender blue. Now I'm going to go into Ill, which is a vibrant green. And I am going to put this in the middle. That is so pretty. How pretty is that green shade? Oh, it's stunning. No fallout as well, which is great. And there's not much kickback in the pan as well. So now I'm going to go into Splasher, which is a beautiful like plum purple. And I'm going to put this on the outer corner. So there's a little bit of fallout with this shade, but that doesn't really bother me. So now I'm just going to blend all of those together. So for my brow highlight and inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking Ivy, which is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Wow. A bit much on my brush. No. Don't do that to me. How reflective is that shade? Wow. Okay, girl. Okay, work. I'm going to take Slasher now and just put it in the bottom lash line. This is the prettiest purple, like it's stunning. The green shade. I kind of want to add like a glitter just here. I'm going to take a bit of Mr. Tutorials. That is, oh my gosh. Okay, that's stunning. Wow. And I'm just going to put this just like that. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to do the eyeliner and lashes off camera. So let's just move on to the other eye now. We are going to take Basic Truth. I hope I'm saying that correctly. I don't think I am, but your girl's not French, so I don't know. So going in with that shade, and I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. Now I'm gonna take Mila. I hope that's right, Mila or Mila. And I'm gonna put this all over the lid because I want to do a halo eye. These shades just blend out beautifully, and the pigment is just stunning. Isn't that the prettiest natural light brown shade? Wow, so pretty. I'm now going to be taking 5 AM, which is the darkest brown in this palette, and it looks perfect. Oh, that's just like the most gorgeous chocolate brown shade. Okay, I'm gonna go in with All In, no, Underground. Oh, I'm gonna go in with Underground. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. These are so reflective. It is insane. I'm now going to go in with All In on a brush and see how that goes just over the top. god, they are so pretty. They are so pretty. Wow. I'm bringing the shimmer right up too. Oh my god, that one, I'm done. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Pride because I just have to use it, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Wow, can you guys see that on my inner corner? That is like the most reflective. Oh my gosh, it's like purple, green, blue, pink. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. Nikkie Tutorials. I'm shook. Now I'm just going to do exact same to the bottom lash line. So go in with 5 AM. Alright guys, this is the final finished look. I am so impressed with this palette. It's beautiful and it's flawless. It's honestly flawless. I am obsessed, and I still haven't even played with the pink or the orange or the reds. So there's still a lot of shades that I need to play around with, but wow, the shimmers are stunning. Eyeshadows are just so pigmented, vibrant, blend like a dream. But anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this review, and let me know if you would like to see a few more looks with this palette, because I'd love to play around with this more. That red looks so inviting. This palette would be so cool for Halloween. Just thinking that. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all very soon. Bye. Mwah.